If you get frustrated selecting and moving multiple layers while keeping them aligned on Canva, this video is for you. Learn how to order, group, and lock layers so you can design on Canva with ease. Order layers. Think of Canva layers, known as elements, as like stacking paper. Some sheets sit on top, some sit underneath. If an element is hidden, it might be behind another element. First, click the item you want to move. Then click Position at the top. Now choose Backward to move it down, Forward to move it up, to Front to bring it all the way forward, to Back to send it behind everything else. Now you can see this element clearly. Lock layers. Sometimes you don't want an element to move, like a background. Click the item, then click Lock icon. Now the item stays in place. If you can't move something later, it's probably locked. Just click on the element and unlock it. Grouping lets you keep and move elements together. Click one item, hold Shift. Click the other items, then right-click and click Group. You can also drag your mouse over all items that you wish to select. Right-click and select Group. Now when you move one element, everything moves together. Here you can see a stack of layers that have been put together in a group. To undo the group, right-click and select Ungroup. You can also drag and drop layers. Click Position, and here you can select the layer you would like to change the order of. Front layers are placed at the top, back layers are at the bottom. And that's it. You have just learned the basics of layers in Canva. Want to learn more Canva basics? Watch this video on Canva basics next.